Hello, this is a continuation of the nodal city limits video I did probably a year or two ago. I'll leave it in the video description. So these are our city densities for various cities. We have upper class suburbia, 600 persons per square mile. This is my town, 2,400. Manhattan, 75,000. And this is our Arkology number from elsewhere in the spreadsheet. It's about 3x more than Manhattan, which is right. Then we have our max city size. This is a variable that can be adjusted to affect the numbers below. We get these outputs based on the density and the city size. Upper class suburbia has 23. This is a circle. 23 mile diameter, 11 mile diameter, 2 mile diameter, 1.3 mile diameter. Then we can have our travel speed. This is like walking is 5 miles an hour. Maybe like a light bike is 10, and then a fast bike is 20. This might be a golf cart, might be like closer to 10. So this is for upper class suburbia. This is minutes to travel across the city. 276 minutes. That's a lot. That's 4 hours to travel across the city. This is why car ownership is so necessary in this suburbia. This is 2 hours to travel across the city of 250,000. It's still a lot because you're going so slow. Let's say 20 miles an hour, only 35 minutes. This is more reasonable. This is more something you'd expect. So this is like walking. 15 minutes, you can walk anywhere in the city. Now, if you're walking halfway across the city, now it's a 7-minute walk. If you're walking a quarter across the city, that's a 3.5-minute walk. With 250,000 people. Now, if we have 144,000 people, now we're looking at 10 minutes to walk across the city, 2.5 minutes to walk 25% of the city. So let's say you get into a golf cart, 6 minutes to go anywhere in the city on a golf cart in Arkology. So Manhattan, still reasonable. This is why a lot of people don't have cars in Manhattan. With traffic, though, you're never really going the 30 miles an hour speed limit in Manhattan, so you might as well set the speed limit lower. The vertical layering of Arkology makes traffic much, much better. Keep this in mind. So let's say a nice like electric bike or something, 20 miles an hour, you can get anywhere in the city in Arkology in 3 minutes. Unbelievable statistic. All of the math is right here. This is undeniable. I forget this is I forget the layer height on this one. I think it might be 5 layers to get this kind of density. So it just shows you that cars are completely necessary for upper class suburbia. Walking is impossible for these two options, and then walking is possible for these two options. And even with a golf cart, look at this, 52 minutes to get anywhere in the city. I think we could bump up golf carts to 20 miles an hour, but if you get hit with a golf cart at 20 miles an hour, you're going to be in a bit of pain. 10 miles an hour, you're probably going to be fine. So we'd have to weigh the cost-benefit analysis of the safety with that decision, personally. But I'm sure it's very, very possible. Anyway, I'm probably going to keep it short there. I've said pretty much all I wanted to say. So remember, a single dream is more powerful than 1,000 realities.